The ESR HaloLock Vegan Wallet is a high-quality MagSafe wallet that has a stronger magnetic lock. It has 20% more powerful magnets than official wallets to ensure that your wallet stays attached. The high-quality leather used for manufacturing this wallet ensures putting all the cards securely on this wallet. The fantastic design of this MagSafe wallet also makes it an adjustable stand. You have the freedom to choose between landscape or portrait and fix it at any angle between 15 to 160 degrees. You will be able to find the perfect position for doing a range of activities like browsing the web, watching your favorite movie, or FaceTime with your family. The unique design of this MagSafe wallet with its range of adjustable positions makes it the best choice for users. It has a metallic mesh lining in the wallet that provides protection for the cards. The high-quality leather provides a premium and classic look to it. It is compatible with iPhone 13 series and 12 except for iPhone 13 and 12 mini. Best features of this item. High-quality leather gives it a classic and premium look. Compatible with iPhone 12 and 13 series except for the mini versions. Degauss protection with metallic mesh lining. 3 individual card slots. Clear window to help you find the cards easily. Freedom to adjust to any degree from 15 degrees and 160 degrees. 20% better magnetic power to keep it attached securely. Pros of this item. It's super smooth. Very sturdy. The magnet is really strong. It is elegant and beautiful. Great for value. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.